Pesmel is a global leader with extensive knowledge of metal industry processes. Our core competence lies in highly automated internal logistic packing and storing systems. We design and implement the best logistic solutions in a manner that improves the productivity and efficiency of the entire mill. Pesmel is the master of material flows. At the core of everything we do is our unique material flow how concept. It integrates all the production processes into an automatically functioning logistical whole. The system can be applied either to greenfield or to existing premises. The material flow how concept is the optimal logistic system that enables production capacity to be maximized. First, our specialists familiarize themselves with mill processes and systems. A simulation model is then built based on this information. Through simulation, bottlenecks in production and other potential problems are analyzed. Based on the analysis, a tailor-made optimal system simulation model is then built. All this is done in close cooperation with the customer. Mill processes that can be defined through simulation include product transfers between the processes, intermediate storage, product packing, storing and dispatching of the finished product, many other issues related to techniques and productivity. Pesmel takes full care of project implementation as the simulation guides all the different phases. One strong area of expertise is our in-house engineering, mechanical, electrical, PLC, and ICT. We build our machines by ourselves. Our engineering and manufacturing meet the highest international and local quality standards and criteria. The project delivery includes full equipment and system installation, testing and startup. The customer's operators are trained for independent operation, and additional training is available for the whole system life cycle. Our deliveries also include complete documentation. An advanced control system manages the material and information flows. This makes heavy, manpower-oriented tasks things of the past. System operation is easy and user-friendly. The system lifecycle is managed by means of the FlowCare application. It provides current information about system performance, the condition of the equipment, and need for maintenance. This helps the operators react fast and in the proper way. FlowCare offers flexible connection to Pesmel's maintenance and spare parts service. Pesmel is your partner in the metal industry. We manage the mill's material flows as well as their optimal integration. Better quality, perfect deliveries, product traceability. Efficiency, reliability and operational safety, but minimized life cycle costs. Pesmel Material Flow How.